Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Angela, and we're here at Tastemade today, and we're gonna do the Not Your Hands Challenge.
Not Your Hands Challenge. That sounds intimidating.
It sounds fun.
Yeah. So, wait, you're gonna be my hands?
I don't know.
That might be hard. We'll see.
You can also check us out on Baking with Josh and Ange on YouTube.
Or Instagram at Baking with Josh and at Angela Kinsey.
That's me.
All right, we have assumed the position. Guess we're gonna get started making this cake.
Hi guys.
Yeah, she's back there.
I already hit the cake by accident. Can I lick my fingers?
Well, no. I would be licking your fingers.
Okay.
It's my hands. Those are my hands.
Sorry.
So we already made this beautiful cake, as you can see right here, with her hands. All right, let's flip it over and see what we're doing. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, let's open these frostings over here. You feel them? Up, a little to the right. Yep, there you go. Go ahead and you can use both hands. All right, that's okay. So that's the pink icing. Yep, throw it over there. Can you reach the other icings? Yeah. Let's just get. Oh, nope, to the right. Yep, there you go. So far, so good. This is.
Okay.
If you bring it up to my mouth, maybe I can use my teeth. All right, you got it. There you go. Yeah,
okay.
Throw it over there.
Ah,
yeah.
Okay.
There you go. All right, we have one more icing. Maybe we'll just skip the other one. What do you think? Let's move it over here, closer to the icing bag. Set it right down.
Okay.
Right there. Okay. Now let's open that bag up.
Okay.
And there's a spatula right to your right. Yep. All right, so you're gonna dip in there and grab some icing.
This is crazy.
Get some icing. Oh wait, no, stop. There's scissors over there. You see
Oh my god.
You see the scissors?
Okay.
Yep. Okay. And I want you to cut the tip off. Just the very end of it off. Just not very much. Maybe just
I'm crying. I'm laughing so hard. Wait, I have to wipe my eyes because I'm
I
crying.
have the scissors right next to my face.
Wait, yes, I'm laughing. Oh my god, I had such a hard time with the icing. Okay.
All right. So just perfect. Right, put that in. All right. So then there's a icing tip. All right. No, we got to reach really far. Yep. Grab that.
Ow!
Yep. Yeah. That's funky. Now stick that through the sharp side in first, all the way in. Yep. All right. Perfect.
This isn't working.
Just kind of push it through until it hits the edge.
I'm getting a neck ache. So tall.
Here, up and down a little bit.
Ow! Ow!
All right.
Okay, this is stupid.
Yeah. All right.
This is stupid.
All right. You know what? Forget it. We'll forget the tip too.
Oh my god.
All right. Let's just put some icing in this frosting bag. All right. There you go. Put it in. Yep. what kind of icing is it?
I don't know.
Here, let me taste. That's good.
It's probably not hygienic.
That's good stuff. Probably not. All right, so one more scoop should do it. We're gonna try and mix these colors in the bag together, and then we'll squeeze it out to make the main.
Oh my god.
Great.
Okay,
Perfect. All right, here, put your icing bag down and grab the other icing that we opened. Don't put it down too far. There you go. All right. And then grab the same frosting bag and just, if you can fill that with pink on the other side of the blue.
I got it.
Oh, you got it. Okay, good. So just maybe a couple scoops of that in there. Maybe a help?
Well, no, you're not allowed to help.
Well, my teeth I can. So get that in and just squish it all down to the bottom where the opening is, okay?
Okay. I don't even think it's in the bag.
Yeah, most of it is. Just squeeze it down from the top and push it down, okay? Just squeeze it, push it down. Okay, keep going all the way.
Okay.
All right, you should feel squeeze it. Oh yes, this is gonna look great. Push all the icing down to the bottom.
I'm squeezing as hard as I can.
Okay, there you go. It's coming out. Okay, now it's coming out. All right, so now we're gonna make the top. Okay, so you want to put some unicorn hair.
We're making a unicorn?
Oh, whoops. So right there, you're right in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah. Nope. Not in the middle. Okay, so let's make a couple dollops right there to be the hair. Okay, one. Perfect. This is looking great. Okay, let's get the side because the hair is supposed to come down the side of the cake.
Okay.
Do you have any icing left?
What do you mean?
You know what? Let's change it up here. Let's use your fingers. All right. Put the icing bag down. All right. Yeah, there you go. Now put your finger in the icing right here, the icing thing. Get some icing on there. Yep, perfect. Get some more.
Oh my god.
All right, good on the side, kind of like in a diagonal. Yeah. Now smear some stuff on top. All right, all right, that's good. No, not the side. That's good, right there like that. Now we're gonna put the unicorn horn on. There are some ice cream cones. They've got a little further. Yep, oh no. Here, let's put one down here. Yep. Okay. Now we gotta flip the cake around because we're gonna add the eyes. There's a little bottle right there. Close, nope, down a little, over the left. All right, stop for a second. Now go forward, the bottle.
Oh,
Yes, okay.
okay.
Open that up. Find the bottle again. Yep, and then we're gonna draw the eyes. Okay, so then we're gonna bend down a little bit, and you're gonna make a little half circle.
You're like having to do a squat.
Yes, that's perfect.
Okay.
And make another one.
This is the first time I've seen the cake.
Now make another eye, so then make some eyelashes.
Oh no.
Make some
Oh, I
eyelashes.
connected the eyes. I didn't mean to.
It's like a unibrow.
Oh, he looks
Do
insane.
you want to put some glitter on top?
Do I?
All right. Over here we have some glitter spray. If you can open the cap and just face it. Whoop, can you open it? Oh no, my hands are so slippery. You know, there's a paper towel in there.
I got it!
Okay.
I got it!
So let's find the spray nozzle and point it away from. Oh, yep. Point it away. So let's spray the horn. Oh yeah. I don't know. I think we're doing pretty good.
Did you say you're done? Wait, are we done?
I think we're done.
Any Josh, do you think?
Yeah, I think we're done. Shut up!
Oh no, he's so sad. I'm so sorry. I was laughing so hard I could barely stand up.